In this video, we will show you how to separate text in Microsoft Excel. We will show you in three methods. You can use the methods that are suitable with you. First, let's open our Microsoft Excel here and just open the blank sheets. Okay, for example, we will make this bigger. Okay, and let me show you. We will have this text, for example, June Do. Okay, you can see this is two words, John with Do. We can separate these two words. For example, is delimited by space. This is the first method. Okay, you can use the data and select text to column. Okay, make sure you select this first, text to column, and select delimited and click next. And just using space here and click next. Okay, for the destination, you can click this and we will put in here. With here, just select the first and click finish. Okay, this is the first method. You can see in the John Doe, this is real text. Okay, and the number second, you can also, if you have fixed the character, you can using left. Okay, you can using left and select the text that you want to get. For example, the G5 here. If you want to put the four character from the left, G, O, H, and N, just press comma, and then you can get the four character from the left. For example, like this. Okay, and if you want to get the last character from the right, you can just using right and select the text that you want to separate. And because from right, we want just three character, A, O, and D, just put the three here and hit tab or enter. It is the same. Or if you are using the Microsoft 365 or 2021, you can using this formula. Tag, split, okay? You can just select this and you can put the comma, and this is the delimiter because it separated by space, just using like this, and you can hit the enter or tab. Okay, this three method is also the same. Okay, this is real text, this is formula, but you can copy paste in values if you want to get just the text, and this is also the formula. You can see how to copy this formula as a text. You can just copy like this and paste as values. Okay, just select these values, so you will get the text, not the formula. And that's all tutorial how to separate text in Microsoft Excel using three methods. You can using the methods that is suitable with you. Hope this video helpful for you, and if you have any question, you can fill in the form comment below, and thanks for watching.